Hello everyone. So today I want to show you something really quick. And also the good thing is it's free. Okay. As you can see from my screen, this is the teleform that I talked about a week or 2 weeks ago about a form that is free, just like your Google form or type form, but it's free. Okay. So I did a test, like I put it in the marketing hub because at the moment I don't have like anything to collect emails on my website. So I do have like a build email list, but I usually build email lists through sales page. So now I want to add something extra to my website. So when people actually go on my website, they've got a way to sort of follow me and also join my email list. So as you can see here, Tally, you can do quite a bit of integration. So you can use a webhook to do the automation, but organically you can just connect to Google Sheets, Notion, and Table. As you can see, connect here. It's all like organic, like native to connect. So I actually pick make to connect with the automation. So I want people to fill in the form on Tally, but then I want it automatically add to my active campaign email. So that's why I use Make to do it like a middleman. They have actually like active campaign, but again, I need to use Zapier or Make. So I actually pick the Make because it's free because I want to show you like all the free options. Okay. So yeah, you can see a lot of things they still integrate. So this is what I created today. So when I to go edit, and you can see this is a form, but you can actually style it a little bit. Like, you can't really go crazy about the form, but again, you can put a little bit of design, a little bit of color so that it makes like more interesting. Right, so this is set up to collect emails. So I want them to put in the first name and email address, and this is optional to tell me more about who they help and also what they need help with. So I put in optional, and once they submit, I will receive the submission. So if I go back to Marketing Hub, the submission will come to here because now there's nothing. So but otherwise, you'll see the first name, email, because that's what I asked for. And then you can actually share the page. So for example, now it's full page, so I can copy this and then open it. Then you can actually share this link to people. So people can fill out the information here. Now, as I said before, I actually use like I want to use it on my website. So I actually do a pop-up here. I do pop-up and I chose to do the exit prompt, meaning that when people leaving my website, it will come up. So I'll just quickly show you. So this is my website. Okay. But then like when they scroll through, when they want to leave, when they click here and the form comes up, as you can see here. So just say hi. So again, it's the same thing, but it's just like in a pop-up area. So I think it's really good. It prompts people before you leave, do you want to follow me? Like they can also tell me a bit about themselves. Okay, that is all happening within Tally, the Marketing Hub. And then if you want them to add to your, let's say, MailerLite or MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, your email platform, you can use the Make. So I set up a Make account and then I do integration between the Tally, and then it will automatically add to my email list. Okay, so if you don't have an email platform at the moment, that's fine, because you will still get the information from the submission page here within Tally. But the thing is, if you are getting like emails, so you might just want to start your email list like campaigns, send them weekly email to give them update. So I'll highly recommend that whether you do it manually or you want to do it like automate, you still want to start your email list. And again, make it free. Okay, they've got like a pay different level account. But then this is free. I just quickly see make automation, just quickly show you. So because I'm in Australia, so the pricing might looks a bit different, but it shouldn't be because it's a US company. So you probably will see the same. So as you can see, they've got free level, which is good enough, I think. And then they've got the next level, $9, $16 a month, and $29 a month. This is annual. So monthly, it will be around $11 a month. So it's up to you. But at the moment, I'm just using the free one. So yeah, I just want to give you an option because these are free. And I'm really impressed with the form here. So I think it's really good. Like not paying like premium price for form, but it looks quite nice like when you after like a design. So just to give you an option, and I will put the link. I'm not affiliate of them, but I'm just putting the link there so that you can check it out. If you got any question, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.